Hi friends, again welcome back to your YouTube channel English Academy. I am Ajay Kumar, the English trainer. English is a hot language. You may not be familiar with this term, why English is considered as a hot language. See, I simply refer here hot language because of its vastness. Because of English is vastness. So really English is the link language. Really English is the link language and library language. Throughout the world, English is used as a communicative language throughout the world. This is a link language. Simply this is a link language. So it is called a hot language. Think about Malayalam. What's the use of Malayalam? Or think about Hindi. Then what's the use of Hindi? It is very useful in India. It is mostly useful in India. But being as a global citizen, what's the use of Hindi then? Being as a global citizen, what's the use of Hindi then? Recently, there is news that we heard of. 90% of the students go out of Kerala seeking their higher studies. Seek their higher studies. One language they are using there, English. See, the government already have an ordinance that our government officers in Kerala use mother tongue Malayalam. How many officers are running this way? At the same time, now the ration card. The structure and size of the ration card is totally changed. Before we have a ration card and the names and details of the members of the ration card were written in Malayalam, only in our mother tongue Malayalam. But it is changed. Our name and the details of the members in the ration card is now written in both in English and Malayalam. And we can use this ration card to various purposes. When you go to Ashaya Center, inquiring some details of your official or related to officials, they are seeking to a ration card that is updated. Every updation is using the language English. Am I right? Every updation in your personal life or public life. Every updation in your personal life or public life is using the language English. So, English is called a hot language. Right?